What does a typical Boca Raton home renovation process look like from start to finish? Most homeowners only see pieces of it, and that's where the confusion, delays, and budget issues usually start. So let's walk you through the process, the way it actually happens. Then you'll know what to expect before you begin. Step 1, initial consultation and feasibility. This is where we talk through your goals and walk through your home and discuss what you're trying to accomplish. At this stage, the objective isn't to finalize anything, it's to determine, does this project make sense? Is it realistic for your budget? And if it is worth moving forward into design. Step 2, planning and design. Once the project is validated, this is where we develop layouts and floor plans, structural requirements, selections, and finish levels, and a detailed scope of work for construction. This is one of the most important phases because decisions made here directly affect cost, timeline, and the overall outcome. Step 3, preliminary pricing and alignment. Before finalizing everything, we review the project against real-world construction costs. If adjustments are needed, this is the time to make them, not after construction begins. This step is what keeps the project aligned with your budget. Step 4, final plans and permitting. Once the design is complete, then plans are finalized and submitted for permitting. In South Florida, this process can take several months depending on the scope and quality of the drawings. And it's important to understand construction doesn't start until permits are approved. Step 5, pre-construction preparation. Before we start, we confirm material selections, coordinate lead times, align scheduling, and prepare the project for a smooth start. This step can often be overlooked, but it's critical to avoiding delays once construction begins. Step 6, construction. This is the execution phase: demolition, structural work, rough trades, inspections, finishes, and final details. At this point, the project should move in a structured, predictable way, assuming decisions have been made and the scope is clear. Step 7, completion and closeout. This includes the final walkthrough, punch list completion, and final inspections. This is where everything comes together and the project is officially complete. So when you look at the full process, a renovation isn't just construction. It's a sequence of steps, and each one matters. The project that goes smoothly are the ones that follow a structured process from the beginning. And the ones that run into problems are usually missing steps or try to rush through them. If you're considering a renovation and want to understand how your project would move through each of these phases, that's exactly what I do to help homeowners. Then you can approach this the right way from the start and avoid unnecessary issues later on.